Today we got a video from Body Cam Boss, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Couple After They Terrorize Shopping Mall, Chaos Erupts.
On April 26, 2024, officers responded to a call of a couple threatening people in a shopping mall.
Come here, please. We're in the Sunoco and they're ignoring my commands to stop. Come here, please.
No.
What do you mean, no?
No.
Please do not talk to them right now. I need to deal with them. Okay. You're not leaving. I need
You're touching me. You're touching me. That's assault.
It's not assault.
It's assault. It's assault. You're touching me. You put your hands on me.
Whiskey Fort, come over here. They're refusing to stay where I'm at. And
I don't got to. It's called cook proper.
No.
Yep. Stupid.
I can follow you all day.
I don't care. That's your job.
Yep, it is.
Pay by the hour, right?
It's a waste of
That's
time.
right.
You want to take down a long ass walk.
Are we?
Yep.
Y'all threatened to shoot the...
No, it's y'all. We didn't do anything. He didn't do
I'm
anything.
talking to them at all. You want to know information? Go talk
Ask
to
them.
them.
I'm gonna.
So you need to do your job better.
Thank God. I got a lawsuit against y'all. You want to add to the lawsuit?
You what?
I got a lawsuit against y'all. Keep adding to it.
Oh, do you? Cool. Not against me, you don't.
Against the police department, though.
Hey, don't conversate. We don't talk.
Somebody to verify a crime as well.
You need a verification?
They're running westbound towards the interstate. I appreciate you. I ain't verified a crime yet, so there's my problem.
I'm the director at the mall. I'm the director at the mall.
You are. Come with me then. Hey,
There is assault. He said that he was going to security officer and the housekeeper, and there was no apparent reason why. He said he was...
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Act right.
Come here. Get the left one, man.
Dang, we missed the real action, man. Dang.
Here! Where my fucking handcuff on? Just stop resisting. I'm not resisting. Help your stupid ass out. You want to roll onto your stomach. All right, say please. Roll on your stomach. If
Say
you move,
please.
I want to hit you in the neck, dog. Roll
He
onto
is
your
goofy.
stomach. You're going to be dog bit. You understand me? Hey, if I call 911, you're going to pop up, right? Roll onto your stomach. I see your face. Well, okay, I see your face. Roll onto your stomach. It don't matter. I can pop up anytime. You got to roll. How about roll? So I'm trying to force you about to roll. Roll onto your stomach. I am. If you get down, stop trying to break my arm, I ain't gonna do shit. If you stop resisting. I'd rather y'all break my shit and motherfuckers. Why are you on your back? Because y'all ain't being nice sometimes. Hey, get the fuck off me. Don't touch me. All right, here.
This
Hey,
taser
brother,
him.
my dick. I am. I'm doing this. All right. You're gonna roll onto your stomach. What's the problem? What I've been detained for? What I've been arrested for? You're being detained for an investigation. What investigation? Something happened in the mall. I don't have to explain myself further. Where I'm at? Am I at the mall? Nope. So this is public property, right? I'm not going to explain further. Where your body cam at? I'm not going to explain further. Oh, that's it right there.
Dude, turn the fuck over. Just get handcuffed.
Roll on your stomach. Telling me to tell the fuck. Look, I'd rather listen to you than these motherfuckers. You keep roll onto your stomach. I am. For you? You want me to roll over? You don't want to be nice. Why tell me I asked you hell no, several times. Roll onto your stomach. You asked me. Okay, here go. You roll onto your stomach. You said you asked, so I am. Tell him let go my arm. I can't roll. Roll on your right onto your stomach. Hey, my hand. I'm trying to break my shit. Left hand. Go the head. Just here, get off for a second. Go to the right. Go to the other side. Here you go. Here you go. Oh, you're not going to get one.
Trouble Alpha 1414.
Normal. Okay. 911, I will be calling. Y'all will pop up. What you doing? I'm Florida. Y'all gotta pop up. Stay seated.
Why? Can I get on the grass? I mean, off the grass? Maybe I know it. Never mind. I'm good. Leave me alone. Going back to this. Going back to
Damn, grass be itchy as heck, man. Ooh, wait. He ain't got his hand cuffed behind his back so he can't scratch her. Oh, this is just unbelievable. Stupid, man. Stupid. Did they really think that they was gonna walk down the whole freeway or whatever, just lollygagging, and no one was gonna pull up and get them together? Like, come on, man.
jackass.
You have a free seat.
So, I do, but my fucking car's
that motherfucker there.
No-go.
That motherfucker there. You. Start with you. We gonna have a conversation.
We'll talk about it in a minute.
Hey, you're a civilian?
I'm going to tell you one time. Do not stand up.
Hey, is he a civilian?
Do not stand up.
Is he a civilian?
I don't know who you're talking about.
The white shirt.
I have no idea who he is.
Okay, you got him. I'm gonna let him. You good. I ain't about to do shit.
Yeah.
Why?
Well, you resisted for about 5 minutes.
I didn't resist it. Y'all had me pinned. I told I would help you.
No.
Yes,
That's
I did.
not how this works.
Yes, it is. Y'all ain't telling me shit. Y'all ripped
Yes, I said you're detained. You pulled away.
I ain't pulling away. I
Hands
looked
on
in
your
your
back.
face.
You pulled away.
I had them in Sunoco, and I was telling them to stop, and they shoved the door
I
open
said,
on my
please stop.
arm.
You said, no.
Yeah, because y'all got no reason to touch me. So the fact that you touched me,
cannot determine
put me on
that.
handcuff. Yes, I can.
No.
I'm a citizen.
Nope.
That's my First Amendment.
That is
So you violated my First Amendment, my Fifth Amendment.
It's so funny
Nope.
how people think things are.
I do.
Shut up. You're
I
just
do.
making
Look
a
at my
fool
record,
of
fool.
yourself.
Look at my record, fool.
Why? You been arrested?
Yeah.
Then you should know
So guess
better.
what? I know a lawyer. Real good. Fool. Yeah, it's how pride hurts.
The guy that was in the family restroom come out and basically told me, okay, so
Damn. Okay, black shirt. Damn. What mall is this?
Yeah, it's how pride hurts.
the guy that was in the family restroom come out and basically told me to mind my own business. Okay. So, I'm like, no, this is my business. I work here. I'm secure. Yeah. But after I got her to do the tag for the restroom for the lady, he comes out of the door. Both of them came out of the girl and the guy. Okay. Yeah, he comes out of the family restroom. She came out of the nursery. And that's when he said to her and to me that both of us would get popped.
Get popped. Did he make any gestures like toward his?
No, he did not.
He was pointing his finger?
Yeah.
Everybody. Okay. Because Officer Holcomb was telling me sometimes he was reaching toward his pants or reaching toward his bag.
Right.
Okay.
But he, at that time, he was not.
Yeah, this was after he went in the common area outside of the restrooms. He made motions to go towards his bag or his waistline. He did it all around South Penny's as they walked off site.
Okay.
They were on the golf cart and he kept making like a motion.
Further movement. Okay. And she was saying, Officer Holcomb was saying they've been here and done this before.
So I was here one day. Carlisle came out. They came to our security door because a scooter they apparently rode got an overnight parking citation on it, and they were going to come here and us up. They came, banged on the door. We followed them through the mall. They went out the east side of UF, and Carlisle got them out there on 62nd. Carlisle comes to me and says,
"Is that by the bus stop?"
I'm just up from it, south of it.
Yeah.
He said, "There's nothing I can do, yada yada." And then I said, they clearly assaulted us.
Yeah.
They did it throughout the whole mall to the point the mall office locked the office down because they went in there being violent.
Okay.
So when the mall manager called me during all this partaking on the radio, I told her I'm aware it is the same too that we had to lock the mall office down and all. And she goes, we 100% need them trespass. They keep coming back.
Have they been
gun
trespassed?
violence. No.
So what's your guys' rules? Can we trespass them in the entire mall?
5 years.
The whole mall?
Yep.
Okay.
What is your question?
What's going on with it?
What?
What's going on with it?
So, you can readily understand English. Am I correct in this? You spoke English your whole life, right?
In Spanish, yes, sir.
Okay.
Both languages.
Do you understand the rights I read to you earlier?
Yes.
Not that you understand the situation, because I haven't explained most of that.
Funny, because I didn't do anything. I'm really like confused.
Right.
I work at the mall. I work at. Go ahead.
Let me explain it to you, but I need that clear to you before I explain it to you, because you're gonna ask questions and I'm gonna ask questions. We're gonna go back and forth, and
yes, sir.
I need everything to be clear. So, a situation happened at the mall. Pretty much as part of our investigation, we have the right to detain people who are.
I don't like her attitude, man. Her whole vibe just, it irks my nerves, man. This one right here, man. The sarcasm and it's just pretending like you don't know what's going on. Just, oh man, she really irks my nerves.
Part of that. So, when the officer comes up to you and says stop, and you walk away, you walk on the Sunoco, you walk out of the Sunoco, you keep walking down the street, that gives us probable cause to arrest you for resisting without violence. When you're given a lawful order to stop, you have to stop. What?
Well, I didn't know that, but I don't know.
Okay, you don't. No one's ever told you if a police officer tells you to stop, you have to stop?
If you're not guilty, no.
So you just get to determine that you didn't commit a crime?
No, sir.
So how do you explain this to me? How do we investigate a crime if anybody can just walk away at any particular point? Exactly. So we have to be able to detain someone to do that, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to be able to physically force them to stop. Now, as I read your rights to you, you don't have to talk to us, but we have to be able to identify you, have witnesses identify you, and conduct an investigation in relative calm, which doesn't really work if you're walking away and not following commands to do so. So you understand all of it. Okay. So basically, at any point, did anyone say anything about a gun inside the mall?
Neither one of us, no.
Hey, so someone else said something about a gun.
Yeah, but that's what I was like. He literally this. Okay, I'm not laughing at you. This is like really pathetic. I work in the mall, so this is the second time that dude, the tall dude, the owner. So he had an issue with, like, they don't even know who we are. That's why I was like, that's kind of stupid. So my parents are
Why would he have an issue with you?
Because of him. I didn't do anything.
So you're just sitting there and he just comes up to you.
If you look at the video, I promise you, I'm sitting in the nursing room. I'm waiting on my best friend. I have to go to work. I'm not. So he's like pulling on the door. So I text him like, "Yo, I'm changing. You see all these clothes? I'm changing my clothes so I can go to work. I have to ride a bike to go to Hotel Indigo. I work at Hotel Indigo. As matter of fact, you can see my badge. The badge is in there. So I'm like, I'm walking out. They're like, so we left like they instructed. So he likes to play games or whatever. But when they said leave, we left. That's why you see us crashing the street. We go there every day. Like we don't bother anyone.
Were you guys wearing masks when you were wandering around in the mall?
We wear a mask every day, but not in the mall. No.
Okay. So
I when I came outside, she seen me pull it up.
All right. So. No one, you two didn't mention a gun, but someone else did.
Yeah, the dude that worked there.
When did he say that?
He said that in the mall. When we were in the mall. So when he was following us, he was like, "Oh, if you don't leave, we'll call the police or I'll shoot you." What? Why would you shoot us if we're walking away? That's why they did all that scene. That's the second. This is the second time this happened.
But that doesn't make any sense. Like, why would they do that to you?
Because for no reason. He wants to play it. He doesn't know who I am. He's told, "I don't know who that." You know exactly who we are.
Okay, but why you? Like, does he not like you?
He doesn't.
Like, why would he just single you two out?
He's not gonna tell you this. So when I was with my homegirl, which is one of his people's daughter, he was trying to talk to me. So you felt some type of way because he said something to you about trying to holler at his wife, his fiance. So you're mad because I don't want to talk to you. That's not a place. This is a place of business. I work there. That's what I was like. I help my friend at the kiosk. One, she sews hats. We sit there. He sees me all the time. So I was like, the fact that you blew this out. I left just when you said leave. We left. So. Didn't do anything. She told me that when she was.
Oh, quit the BS, man. Oh my God. You have the right to remain silent. Just do that, man. Please. Because this whole story don't even make sense, man. It don't make sense. It's boring. It's putting me to sleep. Like, man, say something. If you're going to talk, you got me. All right. It is what it is. You know, you got me. if you gonna come up with some BS story like this don't even help you in your favor, man. You already done. Just, I don't want to say nothing. I'd rather speak to my lawyer. Yeah, like, please, because this is crazy, man. Oops.
They put your hands behind your back. Yes, ma'am. Put my hands up. Stop moving.
You were fine.
That's all I got.
He's
Do
got a
anything.
bunch of problems from that one. All right. So, how old are you?
I'm 26.
26. All right. Hang out for a second for me.
Both individuals were charged with disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and aggravated assault. Thanks for watching our content.
26 and you hanging around this jerk, this guy, she's probably the flunky. You know what I mean? He's probably the mastermind behind everything. And then she's the one that, you know, just follows him around and all that type of stuff. You know, just follows him around and does what he says and yada yada. This is crazy, man. This is unbelievable. I can't even believe. For a minute, I'm looking at the recording software. I'm like, wait, I'm not recording, but I'm recording. I was about to be like, yo, no way. I just sat here for like 15 minutes and not recorded. Like, oh man, my heart dropped. You feel me? But yeah, cops. The lady in the beginning, she did the best that she could, but she didn't have no backup with her. So, you know, following her, keeping an eye on them, seeing where they're going, all good job. So, and then I wish we could have actually seen the tackle, like we seen it, but it was from afar. We didn't really get to see the real action, you know. But either way it goes, I mean, I give them a 5. You know, they did their thing. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.